I'm here to answer to the question that Danny has suggested already. So how to go beyond Telegram ecosystem and earn more with your TMAs. I will start with a small introduction about what I mean ecosystem. So if we're talking about Telegram mini apps, and we call it 3 in this case, we will go a bit further to Web 2 and other technologies that we are established in for the last 14 years, other ad formats, and other users acquisition ways. Okay, so who am I? My name is Konstantinos. Difficult, but when you can meet me outside later, you can just call me Costa. Much easier, like Costa Rica, Costa Coffee. I'm representing Monetag and Propeller Ads. We've been working for 14 years with traffic acquisition, with users, conversions, etc. So we have a lot to say on how to make money together. So what are the problems of TMA market? Already we discussed that it's a new expanding market, and possibly it's not enough for the money we want to make. And I will ask you a question now, you guys, or 3 questions. Do we have developers or mini app owners here in the audience? We do, of course. Do we have affiliates that are not working with TMAs already? We don't. Maybe we do and we don't know. We will see. And the third question is, if you have a Telegram mini app, would you guys want to make $16,975 in a month? Yes? Just 1 hand, just just 3 hands? Okay, I see more hands. Let's wake up because it's the first. It's true. It's the beginning. So let's see how to make this money and get this rolling, and then go for a drink. So it is still limited. Telegram mini apps, Telegram ecosystem, it's still limited, expanding, but is it enough to make as money as we wish from our mini apps? Mini app users, they flow from one to the other up, and that can sometimes create some volatility. And of course, there is high competition between TMAs because it's quite new. Let's face the problems. So projection of full advertising market size in 2025 is $1 trillion. Guys, this is $1,000 billion. Quick math here. So it's a lot of money, isn't it? And then from Telegram, we are projecting just, that's understanding, but just $10 billion. So we can see that there is much more out of this blue pie here. It used to be purple when we were rehearsing, but it looks a bit blue now. It's okay. So how to do it? What are the tools and the strategies? So, as Propeller Ads and as Monetag, we already established a huge portfolio of advertisers working with us with other ad formats so far. Name them on-click, push notifications, interstitials, etc. These advertisers come from all possible verticals: e-commerce, iGaming, sweepstakes, etc. And they are already monetizing the web for years now. We have technologies that we adapted to Telegram already. So within the 14 years, we established auto optimization, smart rotations, tools, targetings, and everything was just adapted to Telegram with overnight, basically. I'm not gonna lie to that. So this makes sense to combine fresh Telegram audiences with Web 2. From now on, I'll be just calling it Web, easier. And yeah, by connecting the two, you get more money in your pockets. Again, rotation, auto-optimization technologies, they have been there. They are successful with other ad formats, and now they're successful with TMAs. Audience segmentation and targeting. So we have, proudly, we're hosting the biggest, let's say, library of targeting options within TMAs, just because we just adapted it from our previous experiences. Then fraud prevention, we have our own anti-fraud solution. And sometimes, yes, it's a bit harsh, it's a bit very strict, but honestly, it works for the best because the you'll be having on your mini app is secure, no problems there. And of course, let's do it. And yeah, tried and tested advertising formats. We don't do video. We don't do the beautiful, etc. It's more simple, but it's more simple. It's more efficient as well. It's cost effective, and it brings you up to $16,975 in a month. That's just a case study. Guys, it's just the beginning. The sky is not the limit, as I prefer saying. So, publishers, what we call publishers is that TMA owners, TMA developers, that you need to monetize your TMA. Then we have the advertisers. So if you are If you have a TMA and you want user acquisition, you want fresh blood, then we will call you advertiser. And then, yeah, or Mike. And then the affiliates that we do not have anyone here, but it's just people that we're working with digital marketing, and they promote any offer. It doesn't have to be a TMA. It can be just a sweepstakes offer, a web offer, which again, you can use on TMA to monetize TMAs. And let's go digging separately. So Telegram and Web 2.0, how to monetize your TMA. That's for publishers. That's for owners. I'll move a bit. I want to move a bit. Thank you. So we have a huge pool of advertisers across the ecosystems, and this way we can assure you a very high fill rate, up to 95%, up to 100%. I will say it. I'll be a bit cocky. Quality and secure advertising, again, anti-fraud system in place, etc., and highest CPM rates. So we will be paying you the highest in the market possible, according to the market metrics at the moment. Guaranteed, yes, it's guaranteed. I mean, my colleagues will assure you after this. And then let's see what ad formats we use within the TMAs. By the way, to start earning, you just need to install our SDK. It takes approximately 10 minutes with some knowledge. And of course, we're here to guide you step by step. So no worries there, just an SDK. So we have two ways. The one is the rewarded mechanics, which, like Coco said before, it makes more sense for the users to have something to earn out of their actions. And then you have the non-rewarded mechanics as well. In both cases, we have the interstitial format. There is a gap here, be careful. Looks beautiful, easy. And then the pop under, which is not with the banner, but it covers the page, and the user has to continue executing the, basically, transfer to the offer. If you're promoting a Telegram mini app, the user will go to the Telegram mini app. If it's a web offer, like let's call it iGaming, then the user will be transferred to the website inside the Telegram browser. Easy. And the success story, it's the one I was telling you about. It's a game on tone vertical. The owner of the TMA wanted to earn more money, of course. And the geos, Nigeria, India, Vietnam, super thriving there. Ad formats, they used all the ad formats. The rewarded interstitial, the rewarded pop-up, and the in-app interstitial. That's the one without the reward. I'm sorry, user who didn't get the reward. $16,975 in 1 month. Repetition is a matter of knowledge. That's why I keep repeating this number, because it is a true case study. Rewarded interstitial, in-app interstitial, rewarded pop-up. You see the CPMs there. We're talking about Vietnam, India, and Nigeria, guys. The CPMs are quite impressive to my eye. Hope to yours too. And yeah, we can see that by using all three ad formats, you're securing the best performance for your TMA. Now, let's see if you have the TMA and you're looking for new users, user acquisition. You're an advertiser in this case. So the benefits here are more diverse traffic. We have the fresh audience from TMAs and also the huge pool of users coming from web, from push notifications, from pop unders, from interstitials, from survey exits, and from 14 years of experience. Then new formats at a higher level of engagement, and Web 2.0 is a bit overloaded since it's been there for years and years. So moving out of it and combining it with new technology, with Web 3, in this case, works like a charm. So 900 million unique users in all TMAs, according to the market, the green one. And then we have the purple one, 1.5 billion unique users working only with propeller ads. Yes, we can definitely see that it makes sense not to stay for your user acquisition in the green, but also go to the purple. Usually we want to go green, but this time let's go purple, guys. Okay, purple power. So this success story here, it's one of our clients, whale.io. They wanted to increase their audiences, of course. Geos, Nigeria, Brazil, Philippines. They used Telegram mini apps traffic and advertising. They used web push notifications and pop unders. So it's Web3 and Web2 combined. That's their product. And we see amazing ROIs, especially from TMAs. It's new. They have a Telegram mini app, so it makes sense that it has the biggest ROI there. But they have been profitable in both Web3, Web2, and of course, much more users acquired. And now it's for the affiliates that we don't seem to have, but still, is it possible to make money even if you do not have a TMA? Yes, it's possible, of course. If no, then we wouldn't be here for that. But we had a very smart guy. It's a guy, one of our clients, who runs a sweepstake campaign. A simple flow. User has to fill the name, surname, etc., and then that's it. The advertiser just sells the data, and everybody's happy. Now, what did he think? Why not creating a TMA and give it to a TMA? So he did that just by using AI, very simply. Very simple TMA, just this. So the user, again, by using Telegram ads, web, push, and pop unders, and by giving the rewarded interstitial, so complete your name and get some tokens, he managed to basically achieve beautiful ROIs again and make us all happy, and also give a new, fresh perspective on how to monetize your ads with TMAs. So what's next? And without further ado, what we will do, guys, with you. So if you're a TMA owner, let's go to Monetag. So Monetag is the one buying the traffic. So you will go to Monetag, we will show. Grab the SDK, install it in 10 minutes, very simple steps. Or go to Propeller Ads and drive fresh users, user acquisition. If you're working with a web product and you are an affiliate, then you can still promote it without any TMAs, or simply create a TMA product and let's roll. This is the QR code that will lead you to Propeller Ads and Monetag websites. Please, can I see someone? Yeah, I see. Can I see some more people doing it? You can just take a picture, guys, and just let me think that you are scanning the QR code. It's fine. Or you can take a picture of me and send it to me later. So please connect with us. We will really hold your hand step by step for everything. And yeah, let's thank you and let's enjoy these Token 2049 and these Web3 events. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day.